Hi, and welcome to another Level 2 trigonometry video. In this video, we're going to take the cosine rule and make changes to enable us to find an angle inside the triangle. Quick remember that we label angles with capital letters and sides with small letters. And also remember that angle A is opposite length A, angle B is opposite length B, and angle C is opposite length C. Alright, well here is the cosine rule that's been changed into a formula that starts off with the cosine of angle A. And it's equal to b squared plus c squared minus a squared, all divided by 2bc. And remember, 2bc means 2 times length b times length c. We're going to use this formula to help us find an angle inside the triangle. And to do that, we need to know length B, length C, and length A, all three sides of the triangle. Alright, example 1. Let's calculate the size of angle A. So this is the angle we want to work out. So let's write down the rule. We need to work out angle A, we need length B, C, and A, which is all three sides. And we do have all three sides in this triangle. So let's label the sides. Opposite angle A is little a, which is 8 centimeters, and little b is 9, and little c is 10. Remember, we can mix up b and c, it's not that important. Right, well, let's substitute into the rule. So b squared is 9 squared, plus c squared is 10 squared. Take away a squared, which is 8 squared, and it's all divided by 2 times b times c, which is 2 times 9 times 10. Just check when you do this formula that a is at the end of the top part of the fraction, and check that we have a b squared plus c squared on the top and a b times c on the bottom. Alright, well now we're going to grab our calculator and solve this, and here's where I'm going to introduce brackets to solve the top. So I'm going to go bracket 9 squared plus 10 squared minus 8 squared, close bracket, divide by, and open up some new brackets for the bottom, 2 times 9 times 10, and I get 0.65. Now this is cosine of A, which is equal to 0.65. This is not the angle A, so we have to do a small trick and take the inverse cosine of 0.65 to turn it into the angle, and again grab my calculator, gives me an angle rounded to one decimal place of 49.5 degrees. Right, we'll try it again, and this time we'll go with calculating angle B in example 2. Notice it's the same triangle as example 1. Example 1 we were asked to calculate angle A, but now we're going to calculate angle B. So that's the angle we want, and this is the rule we're going to use. But the rule says cosine A, and we're trying to find an angle called B. So we're going to get around this little issue, and the way to do that is to kind of cheat a little and call angle B angle A. Right, well if we label the sides of the triangle, little a is opposite angle A, which is 9 centimeters, and B and C are 10 and 8 centimeters. Again, it doesn't matter which way round B and C are. Right, so if we substitute in, we get 10 squared plus 8 squared minus 9 squared on the top of the fraction, which is B squared plus C squared minus A squared, and we get 2 times 10 times 8 on the bottom, which is 2 times B times C. Just check that the A goes at the top of the fraction at the end. Alright, we'll calculate that. Again, we're using brackets for the top part of the fraction and brackets for the bottom, and we get 0.51875. But this is cosine of A, so we need to do our trick once more and work out the inverse cosine of 0.51875, and our calculator can do that, and we get an answer that is 58.8 degrees, rounded to one decimal place. Now just keep in mind that we cheated and called angle B A, so we'd have to go back and change that to angle B. We've calculated B to be 58.8 degrees. Great, thanks for watching.